Got woken up first thing in the morning. Got trucks here and everything. That's not what I was expecting. So I guess I'm out early in the morning this morning. That was awesome. You should have seen these guys. I thought I was in the way. So I asked them, I said, do you need me to move my rig? They said, no. Should have seen them. They just turned right in there, backed in there, put it on their fifth wheel thingy, whatever, you know. It was pretty awesome. Sure is pretty. Everything's frosty. That cold air wakes you up too. Frosty. This is crazy. Wow, I can't believe I was on that much of an angle and I didn't put my parking brake on. Oh, she's cold. Come on, baby, you can do it. I was all freaked out, checking every cupboard, every cabinet, after all my dishes fell out and smashed all over the floor yesterday. I was kind of paranoid. Wow. Holy. Coming into Revelstoke. Oh wait, never mind. It's called Three Gaps or three something. I guess Revelstoke's up ahead. Okay, we're coming into Revelstoke. Alright, code red. Code red. I gotta wait 3.5 hours just to get through the road. It's called avalanche control. So they have like a 20-mile section closed off. So he said to me I can go back into Revelstoke and just hang out or something, which is going to end up costing me money. I can tell. So I guess for the next 3 hours I get to play around in Revelstoke with this gorgeous view. Look at these mountains. It's insane. I say we go find a little diner. Bacon and eggs, coffee. Damn, this is no town. This is a big ass city. I guess Denny's it is. Sometimes I think having a nap is worse than just staying up. I am tired. I am so tired. Should have waited another hour. Mount Revelstoke. It's a big one. Avalanche tunnel. Wow. Look at that one over there on the right. It's weird. It's like an optical delusion. I'm sorry, but I just gotta say, I am blown away right now. Okay, we're coming into Golden. I think it's time to pull over, have a little rest, maybe a coffee, and then find a home for the night. Okay, there is supposed to be a place very close here. I think it's like a little truck stop. I know there's a Timmy's here because I've been here many times over the years. Look at that. Imagine living here and seeing that every day. Okay, I found something. It's down the road a ways. It's not in Golden. But according to this, it's a 20-minute drive south, so it's the way we're going. So I'm gonna go check that out. It's just a service road for the night. It's enough to get up in the morning, take off, and go check everything out. See you later, Golden. This is actually the highway bypass of Golden. This is not the real town. This is the what I like to call the money zone. And for you hikers, Golden, BC is the home of Dan Durston Tents. Less than a mile away from me right now. Okay, we're almost there. Okay, I might have to put it in 4-wheel drive. Okay, well, I don't know about this, but there's a spot right there. Of course, I won't get any Wi-Fi there, but I don't know. It's actually quite nice here, but you can really hear the highway. I was supposed to go up this road, but there's 2 feet of snow there. Even with chains. Yeah, it looks like they're snowmobiling here. No, okay, this isn't gonna happen. My baby's all dirty. Yeah, I don't know what to do here. I could park right where I am, I suppose. I mean, it's just, it's off the main road if they need in. I'm sure this is where people park for their snowmobiles. Let's go see, let's go look at maybe, there's a couple apps here. Onyx Backcountry, or maybe, I don't know, maybe Overlander has something. Damn, it's cold here. We're at elevation. Sure is pretty though. Okay, we're here. It's okay, this ain't it. Not happening. It says no overnight parking. Alright, this is quickly getting bad. That's 3 spots now. Sorry, 2 spots. Well, it'll be the 3rd. I'm heading to just a truck stop now. We gotta take what we can get. Clearly says here no overnight parking. Okay, 30 more kilometers down the road. We're gonna end up in Canmore, I can tell. Hello, Banff. Bye, Banff. We're almost there. I'm hoping I get a spot. That parking lot gets pretty jammed. If not, I just gotta keep going, I guess. Right, nobody here. That's wild. Didn't expect that. Okay, what a crazy day. What a crazy day. Busy. 6 o'clock in the morning, those guys came and woke me up, and been going just about all day. Except for that break where the highway was closed. Anyway, let's get set up and get a coffee into me. Check up on my email and let everybody that I know, well, my friends that I talk to, let them know where I am. I always check in with my buddy Daryl. He's the one person I do keep accountability with, for sure. Good guy. You'll meet him one day. 51%, not bad. And charging. I like that. Okay, good morning. Got the coffee into me, ready to rock. It is 9 o'clock. Why does my phone say 8 o'clock? Oh, I switched time zones. Okay, it's 8 o'clock in the morning, so let's get a full day and let's move ahead. I'm not going backwards. I'm not going back up to 2 hours to go to Lake Moran. We're just going to have to do that in the fall. I'm sorry. I tried yesterday my hardest to get in there. I couldn't do it, so it must have been because it was the weekend. I should have laid back until Monday, maybe. I could have got in there much easier. But anyway, I'm excited. It's a sunny day. Batteries are charging, which means I don't have to run my generator, which means I can get out of here quicker. But I do need propane. I got to get propane. It was cold here. It went down to minus 10 last night. Yeah, I know. It's crazy. So I'm going to be going through propane. I'm hoping today I get down in elevation and that it's warmer, but I doubt it. As I get more east, there's going to be more snow, more cold. For some reason, they live in a bubble over there on the other side of the mountains, BC, and on the island. Right now, it's moderate spring temperatures. Not here. This is winter. We're in the dead of winter. All right, let's go get it. There's a nice little schoolie. Solar. I'm gonna go say hello. Check out this schoolie, guys. It's pretty impressive, eh?
Are you from Canada?
Yeah, I'm from Ontario.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, well, this is nice. Wow, I love this. And you did all of this yourself?
Yeah.
Wow. Wow. That is impressive.
It's a little bit more messy because we're two in it, but it's patience.
What kind of heating have you got?
Just a regular Chinese diesel heater.
Yeah, they're great, eh? Diesel?
Yeah, sometimes they're a pain in the ass.